How to copy YouTube video link in mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to copy the YouTube video link in mobile, first of all launch the YouTube application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you do that, select on a particular video over here. So I'm going to tap on the three dotted lines of any video over here. So here you'll get the option of share. So just tap on share and here you can see the option of copy link. So tap on copy link and then go back, and now you can share this link to anybody from any options. So I'm going to select on Telegram over here, and as I select on Telegram, I'm going to select a particular account over here to share this one. So let me just paste it over here and then send it. And there you go. You have copied your YouTube video link in your mobile and you can share it now. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.